Well, all right, guys, this is part 2, and unfortunately, it's very disgusting in there. But anyway, I'm going to replace that one, which was, as you can see down there, still Rubbermaid. And I'm glad they brought this the system back, because it just makes sense, especially these days when you can still get... Some stores are still smart enough to give you plastic bags. Then, your plastic bag that you used for your groceries or your takeaway stuff, you can then use it for your trash. Look at that. You recycle, 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 and eventually it goes into the waste bin or into the, you know, hopefully not the landfill. They'll be able to recycle it and turn it into more plastic bags. But anyway, so much for that thing where they don't give you plastic bags, because that's what most people used to do when they wanted to recycle. They went grocery shopping, they brought the grocery shopping bags home, and then they used them for their waste bins. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Likey.